What are the solutions to the equation? They give you a rational equation, basically an equation that has ratios, which are fractions. So an equation that has fractions, and we want to solve it. Now the best thing to do is to be able to get rid of your denominator so we have an easier problem. And we are going to multiply by something that we call the lowest common multiple, or lowest common denominator. In this case, I want to cancel the x, so therefore I'm going to have to multiply by x. But in this case, I want to cancel the x squared, so I have two x's that I need to get rid of, so I'm going to multiply by xx. So multiply by x and x, x and x, x and x. On the first term, nothing cancels, so I have x squared. On the next term, the x's cancel, one of the x's, so I have plus 2x. And on the last one, both x's cancel, so I have negative 6. And since I have a quadratic equation, x squared, I can either factor it, complete the square, or quadratic formula. By looking at my answers, you won't be able to factor it. So therefore, I'm going to complete the square because there's no leading coefficient, or just coefficient of 1. And this number is even. Remember, to complete the square is b divided by 2, and then you square it. So let me make space for my square first. I'm going to complete the square, so I need a square in here. Equal to negative 6, and I also need a square on the right hand side. So what I do on one side, I need to do to the other. And to complete the square, very quick process, b divided by 2 and squared. So I'm just going to take half of b, which is 1, squared gives me positive 1. And now I'm going to factor the left hand side. Factors of x squared are x and x. Factors of 1 will be 1 and 1, and they both will be positive because I need to add up to a positive 2x. They should always be the same, so we have x plus 1 squared is equal to negative 5. Now to get rid of the square, I'm going to take the square root on both sides. The square root and the square cancel, so x plus 1. Since there's a negative inside the square root, I need an I. Square root of 5 cannot be simplified, but let me not forget my plus or minus. Every time you take the square root on both sides, you need plus or minus. You can either be positive or negative. And last, move the 1 to the right, becomes a negative 1. So therefore, my answer should have an I. So it's not A, and it's not B. And it should be a negative 1. So therefore, your answer is letter C.